Welcome back to The Source, the only place where we look past the hype and straight into the real market narratives. Today we are breaking down Punch, which is a pump fund project that just exploded from under 100k to an 18.6 million ATH in just a few days. This is the story of how a viral baby macaque from Japan turned into a massive community takeover that is currently dominating the entire Web3 timeline. Welcome back, guys. The heart of this massive move is a real-world story from the Ichikawa City Zoo in Japan involving a baby macaque named Punch. After being rejected by his mother at birth, videos of him clinging to a plush toy for comfort went viral across TikTok and Instagram. This was a national underdog story that captured millions of views long before the token even existed. The transition to Web3 happened on February 7th when a Japanese community member initiated a community takeover. Now, what sets this apart from typical pump fund plays is the immediate real-world impact, because we've got over 100,000 yen from creator fees was wired directly to the zoo on day one. And while the zoo maintains a professional distance from the crypto promotion, the community has landed into the narrative with constant donation receipts, fan art, and actual zoo visits being shared across X. And this organic momentum is exactly what triggered the massive price action we saw mid-February. We watched the market cap scale from sub $100k levels to a peak of $18.6 million in less than a week. And this, guys, is a perfect example of how a verified and real-world narrative can create a level of community conviction that you simply do not see with standard speculative assets. That being said, taking a look at the charts, the number really speak for themselves. We are sitting at a market cap of 23.9 million, and you can see on the screen that we already tapped a massive ATH of nearly 60 million during this run. The 24-hour volume is holding stronger at over $9.3 million, which is a clear signal that the trading interest is still massive and the liquidity is definitely there to stay. For those of you tracking the technical side, as you can see, the bonding curve on Pump Fund is 100% complete, meaning that the coin has officially graduated to the open market. And with over 25,000 holders and more than 100,000 total transactions, it's more than obvious that this is not just a temporary trend. This is a fully formed community. Even with the natural price corrections, having 685k in pooled liquidity provides a solid foundation for whatever comes next. Honestly, this is a textbook example of how viral and real-world energy can be converted into a top-tier market performer. The momentum is definitely undeniable because Punch is being backed by a massive wave of influencers and a community that is literally growing by the hour. Obviously, you can see the strength in the numbers, but the real story is the huge community that's forming around this viral narrative. And with massive potential partnerships that are already on the horizon, this project is definitely proving that it has the staying power to move way beyond a simple trend. That being said, guys, make sure to follow the project on X and join their Telegram to stay updated on the next move. As always, all the official links are in the pinned comment below, so go check them out for yourself. That was it for today's video. Stay focused on the tech, and I will see you in the next one.